Brethren, welcome back to Brethren Overland. I got my Auxbeam all set up, and here's the box. There's a breaker. All right, guys. As you can see, I have Velcro under both of these boxes. That was just to hold it in place while it's assembling things. But don't do this. Screw it down into the top of your fuse box or separate bracket, or on the firewall, or wherever you feel like you want to mount it. But don't Velcro it down. It's not gonna last because of the engine heat. Box right there. I ran the positive from there, ran through the little bracket right there, zip tied it down, and ran into the positive. My negative is hooked up over here, it's ran down to the side, down below, and into this box. And then the accessory and the as you can say, the switch cable and the accessory cable are running out of this box down and through the firewall right here. And I used a coat hanger to help push them through that insulation that's in there. Took the little cap, the little black rubber cap out with that hole, and then attached them to a coat hanger with duct tape, and then I pushed it through the hole and through the insulation down inside. Okay guys, down below there is a fuse box under here, and I've got it plugged in to the number 10 ignition. You pull the number 10 out and you put a 10 into the ATA circuit, a separate 10, and then you plug it back into the 10, ignition 10, and it works. Alright guys, back in here, I got the ignition on. Since I have it plugged into the ignition, it comes on with the ignition. And I'm going to go ahead and turn on the grill lights. Alright guys, right here, I'm pressing the number 8 button. I was supposed to start with the number 1 slot on the circuit board. So when you're plugging them in, plug it in your accessory, you start with number 1, which you'll see in your instructions. So we're number 1, which is 30A. There's 2 30As, and it goes down from there. I suggest you start with 1 and then go to 2, 3, 4, and up to 8. And as you go to 8, the power slowly decreases as you plug them in, but it'll still power your accessories. But you'll see that in your instructions. So after the video, I went ahead and moved the wire from 8 to 1, and I moved the sticker over to 1. And I'll show you what those look like. Alright guys, there's the lights on. The Raptor lights, all lit up. Yeah guys, simple install. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to the channel, brethren, become a brethren and hit that subscribe button. Till the next one, peace.